Really? 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 Yep, really. I was gonna do that earlier, and I thought, let's just see if it works first, in case I have to do something slightly different. I don't want to see that. I just don't want to see that. Sorry about that. Can't have you seeing that. Okay? Not gonna happen. No sirree bub. Just not gonna happen. There you go. Not gonna see it now, am I? No way. I have that open. No, it looks pretty good. I don't think I should mess with that at all. Maybe right there. Okay, you know what? I want to get my gloves on. And there's just a hair down there. I really think it's going to be good. Little bit of stucco is all. It's that vinyl patch, so that's why I'm able to just scrape it off right down in there. Okay, I think that'll give it just a hair more oomph to it, right there even. Don't think I should go any further than that. I'm getting into that webbing tape, and I'm not going to go any further than that. In fact, I can put just a hair of this in there. Last thing I want is for this to leak. Alright? Sirree bub. Don't want it to leak. Okay. Now, I can put it back. Ridiculous that this one was cut so short. So short. That's where it's gonna live. That's where that one's gonna live. Sweetness. Okay, there you go. And I'm pretty sure we'll just have to see when I put this next one up how square this one is. And like I said, I've had these up and they had them up here before, and there's a little bit of finagling around that you can do on these tiles. I did it before and I can do it again if I need to. Okay, so that's kind of how that one's going to look. And you know, at least I got it all black under there. Can you imagine if that was all white? It would look like, ah, no, that's just can't be. Okay, all right, time to start putting these other tiles down. Now these I've got the only one that's got the notch is that last one. So see, I can slip that one in from here this way. I can put these 3 other tiles in full if I want. Can I? And I think I will. And then I can put that one in last. Or actually, maybe I'll put these 2 tiles in, and then I'll put this last one in and set it, and then take some measurements for this last full one. That's what I'll do, because I don't want to get caught right up there on the inside corner. That'll be a little bit more tricky. So you kind of have to have your game plan going on what to do next and that kind of thing. Because see, when I get to these, I put this full tile in, I may have to put that one in next and slip it in that way. I don't know if I can if I have this full tile in, if I can slip this one in up against there and then back down. In fact, I think I can, because as I remember, there's a gap. There's going to be about I don't know, 3/4 inch gap or so from this last tile over to the edge. We'll just keep going and see how it works. Okay, little by little, we're going to get this floor done. I got the cardboard. I slid the cardboard around the other way because I'm going to walk this back and forth, back and forth. And I could do it just on the tile and you just beat the concrete pavers. You just have to be kind of careful with it, but I'm being overly careful maybe. But hey, whatever you need to do. First, so if I set it down too much on these little plastic cups, you can hear them breaking. Put the plywood there so I can get my fingers out. There it goes. get this row in, and I may have to shim this one up a little bit. We'll have to see. But I don't want to mess with it too much. I don't want to mess with this too much because I'm going to have to do a little finagling. I've got a tight joint here. The joint up there is loose, meaning I may have to take this and slide it over. I might have pushed it in too far. I just might have. And I probably did. And so I'll have to do some finagling, but I think that corner's going to have to go up. But I can check. I know this point should be 12 inches from right there, and I'm right at 12. Check this point, and I'm at close to 12 right there. So that tells me this one has to be slid back out just a wee bit. It might be easier for me to do that, to slide this one out of the way so I can get that. I don't know. We'll see.